Hi, my name is Daniela Moroz. I live in the San Francisco Bay Area with my parents and my dog in the East Bay. And I am a year-round swimmer and kiter. When you first get going on the board, you're going to want to get going slowly. If you get going too fast, the foil will quickly rise up and will throw you off balance. In order to go upwind, you have to point the nose of the board against the wind and shift most of your weight to your back foot. To go downwind, point the board in that direction, and try to keep an even amount of weight on each foot. By doing this, you will be able to maneuver through and avoid any swell or chop that is on the water. If you want to learn to foil, you should be an experienced kiter with good kite control, because the only thing you're going to want to worry about when you're out there on the water is the board and the foil itself, not the kite. When you're learning to foil, you're going to be wiping out left and right. That's okay, and it's totally normal. Every time you wipe out, you learn something. So, unless you're Johnny Heineken, it's okay to wipe out. Good luck, and hope to see you out on the water.